Well, Hilary is really starting to slam into SoCal now. And I am very aware that this storm has wreaked havoc on Mexico and Baja. And now she's coming up the coast. I won't say exactly where I am, but I am close enough that I can see Disneyland and Angel Stadium's fireworks when they go off. Or I would if we didn't have trees in the way. But I'm about east of both of those. And I don't have COVID, I just forgot how to swallow. But anyway, the rain just got serious. It's been raining off and on all day, you know, kind of hard rain, but now the rain's just getting steadily harder and just almost non-stop now. And if you can see that gutter at the end of the driveway, I'm filming through a screen, so apologies, but it is a little bit flooded in the gutter, but the streets have not flooded so far. You know, like the gutters, they have some overflow, but the streets are not underwater. So my main concern is just like the flood areas and the fire areas in the hills where there's mudslides. You know, the people that live there, yeah, that's what I'm concerned about. But my area personally, where I am right here, right now, here, we're fine. You know, there hasn't been much wind, but that's starting to pick up, so that could change very fast. But this is Hilary in SoCal. You can see how hard the rain is coming down, but it is coming down pretty good now. It's getting worse right now while I'm talking to you. Yeah, the rain is getting real serious now. I don't think it's showing up on the camera, but I'm watching it and it's bigger and bigger drops falling. Yeah, the trees beyond the freeway are starting to get fuzzy. And that only happens when it rains really hard. Yeah, this morning I went outside and I was taunting Hilary a bit, saying, come on, you can do better than that, scare me. Maybe I shouldn't have done that. Yeah, now the wind is starting to show up. Okay, it's starting to blow the rain in, so I have to go because I'm getting wet here. And I don't mean that dirty. It's chilly. Okay, I just got hit in the eye with rain. Hilary just got me back. Okay, guys, I gotta stop now.